job feels like a dream. New colleagues, new workplace, and the paycheck. But slowly, as initial weeks pass, you realize that things have changed around you. Suddenly, it's not about your work, but it's more about power. Whenever you are joining a new workplace, the moment you enter, you'll realize this hierarchy. Your manager has the authority, your seniors have the influence, and you are still undermined at work. Even the HR knows whom to call and whom not to call. So, before delving into the framework in the next 5 minutes, let us first understand what is workplace dynamics. So, workplace dynamics does not mean that someone with a good title has the authority and has the influence. So, whenever you are meeting someone, it's all about influence that they have over people. Whenever we are talking about workplace dynamics, it has to be someone who has a good network of people. So as a fresher, let's learn what can help you out. So there are 3 L's when it comes to workplace dynamics. The first one, listen. For the first month in your job, do not speak much. Just stay silent and observe what is going around. Look at how people behave, who is being preferred more over other. Sometimes there might be situations and people where even someone with a good authority and a good title is not going to be heard. Their decisions, their points are not going to get importance and weightage. But someone at a lower level, but with a good influence of people, like they know a lot of people, are going to be preferred more, and they will have probably more influence and more majority in the point that they are presenting. Second L, that is learn. After knowing who works how, you have to adopt to this culture. Like, okay, this person works in this particular manner, so let me just try to replicate how they are functioning. If they are very open about it, be open with your ideas. If they are more conservative in their manner, then keep yourself in that kind of a space and a zone where you are not very loud. Or maybe if they are very loud and outspoken, you need to get out of your shell as well. So adapt to the environment that is working. The third L, that is leverage. Now you have already known who's knowing what and who works how. Now you have to leverage and make use of this information. Try being friends with them in the sense that you have to take them as a mentor. Interact with them one-on-one in safe spaces, discuss your ideas, talk about current trends that are going on in your field, and build a good rapport. You have to take steps in socializing so that they know your name, they become aware of your existence. So these 3 A's are going to help you to get out of the undervalued and undermined trap. Now, as a Gen Z coach, here's my take. As freshers, you are going to suffer through imposter syndrome. You're going to doubt yourself a lot. And you might be little lost in the way. But by you following these 3 frameworks, you can capture all the attention, all the value that you deserve in the corporate ladder. So if you're someone who's going through some dilemma in your workplaces, you can comment down about what are your current challenges and we can solve them together.